Check, check, check. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another live streaming. We're doing something different today. I'm hoping that this will work. Might look weird. Okay, I think it's gonna work just fine. Hopefully my laptop can handle this. Alright, so we are going to be working on this problems. Hello Mike, hello, I'm Sal. Bro, it's the thing, but yeah, I mean I'm bad in donuts, and there's like, I mean I'm gonna get unbanned in just a while, but like it's gonna take a lot of time, you know, because I gotta like make the thumbnails and stuff. For some of my guys, I'm doing good. What about you? And I'm going to talk 50-50 between Indonesia and English, so that my friends would also understand. Jadi di live streaming ini kita bakal belajar sama ini, aku bikin Zoom juga. Jadi kalau yang mau join silakan. Linknya ada di saluran ya. Bentar. Aku nyari linknya dulu. Oke. Bentar ya. Wait guys, I'm like sharing things to my friends. Alright, I've shared it to my friends, and now we're going to finally do the exam here. Not the exam, but like the exercise for the final exam for tomorrow. It sounds pretty weird, but it is what it is. Okay. I'm going to monitor the chat from my phone, and we are going to start with this. I think I need a lot of space, so we might need a Canva here. And let me just open some things. And I'm trying to get like people to go on also, so we're kind of chilling here. Or maybe wait. It's gonna be really laggy. Michael, can you find the area of a triangle if the base is 20 and the height is 13? Since I think that's quite easy. 560. Oh, okay. For me is, oh yeah, the areas. Yep, that's pretty easy. Yeah, I think my video is lagging here. My laptop can handle this. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I think we're just gonna do it in the like the sheets here, because like it's gonna lag a lot if I use another website to basically get my hands on the writing? Okay. So this is I'm going to like put stuff and also delete it. Aku bakal naruh sesuatu terus bakal aku delete juga. Oke. Karena space kita nggak banyak, because our space is that much, so it is what it is. So A is like this. Yo, what's up? You see welcome to the stream. This is A. FOGOH is equal to this thing right here. It is going to be a bit confusing, but and HX is negative x plus 1, and we will get a G. Okay, so we're gonna put this into G, and that is going to be 2 times negative x plus 1. That is going to be negative 2x, 2 and plus 3. This is, we're gonna put, is it lagging or just me? It shouldn't be lagging right now. I'm hoping so. If it feels laggy, just watch it at 2 times speed, and you should get like the latest portion of the stream. And this thing right here dan f bla 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 ini bakal jadi min 2x plus 3 kuadrat plus 2 kali min 2x plus 3. Aduh, ini sayang banget di apa namanya, PDF ini kayaknya nggak bisa nambahin page gitu. Jadi sama ini kayaknya kalau aku share screen di ininya bikin nge-lag. Halo, selamat datang di Zoom. Ini aku kayaknya nggak bakal share screen di Zoom, cuman it's fine. Alright, that's good. Bentar, yo. Alright, I'm gonna put like, okay, I'm just gonna get all the way down. Kalau ada yang tanya silakan langsung aja. So this right here is going to be the usual x squared minus 2xy plus y squared 4x kuadrat plus 9 minus 6 12 x plus min 4x plus 6 4x kuadrat min 16x plus 15. Ini hasil yang nomor pertama, 1A. X kuadrat min 16x plus 15. Kalau yang bawahnya tinggal dibalik aja prosesnya. The bottom one system is like the same, but in the opposite order. I got 31 out of 45 on my math test. I did have 28, but I showed working out, so I got the mark. Okay, that's pretty good. That should be more than 75%, right? Or no, I don't know. Maybe we can do the math on that. But 31 out of 45, that's already good, bro. Hopefully that meets your expectations. Yeah, alright. Okay. Kita ke yang B. G, H, Fx nya itu x kuadrat plus 2x. Langsung aja. H ini berarti 1 min x kuadrat min 2x. G dari, oh lebih singkat ya, 2 kali ini berarti 2 min 2x kuadrat min 4x Ini G berarti plus 1. Hi, hello Ben, and welcome to the stream. Without studying, because I had English, what is the English test? English geometry I had to work on, so that's I mean, without studying, that's a good score, bro. Isn't it hard for you to focus while streaming? Not really. It depends on the subject though. If it's like the subject that I haven't learned yet, it's gonna be hard, but we're just chilling. Kalau ada yang mau tanya, langsung aja ya. And plus 3. Oke. Kalau mau bahas nomor tertentu silakan. Yang susah-susah mungkin. Ini aku ngerjainnya urut. I'm working it in order. But if you guys have any specific questions, just tell me. Okay. I gotta go to bed now. See if I can watch you on the weekend. Alright. I'll see you tomorrow maybe. Jika fx plus xjx, fog sama dengan gfx, maka nilai p yang memenuhi adalah bla bla bla. Kita coba tulis ulang dulu. Fgx sama dengan gfx. Still sick but still here. Oh, get well soon, bro. Fgx berarti ini koma ya di sini. F gx-nya 4x plus 5 sama dengan g dari fx px plus 6. Kita bisa jabarin. Gotta go. Alright, busy man. I'll see ya in the next time. F-nya px plus 6 berarti P dari 4x plus 5 P kali 4x plus 5 plus 6 sama dengan, ini udah kasih koma aja, G px plus 6 berarti G nya itu G 4x plus 5 4 px plus 6 plus 5. And if you see some mistakes, kalau lihat ada kesalahan, just tell me, bilang aja. 4px plus 5p plus 6 sama dengan 4px plus 24 plus 5. Oke, bagus lah. 4px nya bisa hilang karena kita bisa kurangin di kedua ruasnya. Jadi kesisa 5p plus 6 sama dengan 29. 5p sama dengan 29, 6 nya pindah. 5p sama dengan 23. Bentar, angkanya kok nggak enak ya. Yang pertama 4x plus 5 f 4x plus 5 plus 6 4 kali px plus 6. Udah bener harusnya. Oke, 5p plus 6 24 plus 5. Oke, kalau gitu berarti p nya sama dengan 23/5 atau 4,6. Ini kok ganjil ya. Oke. Sementara kita jawab 4,6. Kalau salah bilang aja ya. Nanti bisa kita perbaiki bersama. Oke. Lanjut ke nomor 3. Jika f ini g ini, maka tentukan nilai FOG untuk x sama dengan 2. FOG bisa langsung FGX sama dengan GX nya itu 3x, berarti f dari 3x, fx nya 2x berarti 6x plus 3. Karena x nya 2 berarti 6 kali 2 tambah 3, 12 plus 3 15. Jadi yang A jawabannya 15. FOG OH, oke. FG hanya itu x kuadrat min 2. G nya tinggal kali 3, berarti f dari 3x kuadrat min 6. Terus fx nya 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 berarti 6x kuadrat min 12 plus 3 sama dengan 6x kuadrat min 9. Atau kita bisa keluarin. Oh wow, selamat datang Love Booster. Iya. Oke, bisa kita sederhanain terus. Kita masukin min 2. Min 2 karena kuadrat jadi positif. Min 2 kuadrat 4, 4 kali 2 8, 8 kurang 3 5, 5 kali 3 15. Sama lagi. Aduh. GX nya tinggal kali 3. Oke. Terus 2x plus 3, 6x 4 24. Ya benar. Oh ya, juga aku dapat info dari temenku kalau yang diajar sama Budini itu beda ini kisi-kisinya. Jadi ada, setahu aku kisi-kisi 10 nomor buat apa namanya matematika umum juga, tapi beda. Gak tahu ya apakah soalnya bakal beda atau enggak. Seems confusing. Yeah. At first glance it seems like it is. I also have a math test tomorrow. What subject is it? What a coincidence. Alright. What type of math are you gonna have for tomorrow? Is it gonna be polynomial or trigonometry? Okay. Wait, are you in 10th grade or are you in the 11th grade? Alright. Okay, I'm gonna assume this is the x value. It could be inverse, but it shouldn't be. Correct, I'm at 10th. Alright. So we're gonna learn the sine, cosine. Maybe if you stick up until the end, I can probably do some tricks also. That would be pretty cool. But now I'm gonna just focus on what I'm doing right now. Oke, yang C itu ini, G F-1. Kayaknya ganti ke X2 aja lebih gampang. That's fine, I can study on mine. Alright, sounds good. Fx-nya 2x plus 3 tambah Hgx dari Gx itu 3x. Oke. G nya itu tinggal kali 3. 6x plus 9 tambah H dari 3x, berarti 3x dikuadratin jadi 9x kuadrat min 2. Tinggal dimasukin min 1, berarti 9 kurang 6 3, 3 plus 9 kurang 2 7, 10. Okay. I have to carry on studying for the math exam. Alright. Wish you the best for that. Even though it's math, it's a different subject. See ya, alright. I'll see ya in the next one. Oke, tentukan fungsi inverse untuk fungsi rasional berikut. Oke. Langsung aja, Y sama dengan 4X. Atau kita bikin rumus ya. Wait. Coba kita bikin rumus. AX min B CX min D. Bentar, ada yang WA. Plus lingkaran yang cm VR kuadrat 100 314 per 6. Plus ring yang diketahui sudut pusatnya 60 derajat. Yeah, okay. That's not basic math. I mean, maybe for you. Bro, it's literally called basic math. I didn't define it. It's like from school, you know. They define it as basic math. It's not like 1, 2, 3 or something, but there are 2 types of math in my school. One is like basic and one is like advanced. So we're discussing the basic one. And this is the basic one. This is regarding functions. Yeah, cause you're I mean, it depends on your grade though. If you're on high school, you're gonna learn like these, bro. Alright. You know what? Okay, never mind about the making formula on my own. I mean, it will work, but it won't work on like specific ones. Alright. Where are you from? I'm from Indonesia. I'm from Indonesia. Noodles with chicken and caramelized onions and carrots. What is that? Yx to y equals 4x minus 3. I believe we moved the... I kind of forgot about the method. Wait. I think we should group like all of the x's as far as I remember. Y negative 4, negative 2y, negative 3. Hi, hello Svit, welcome to the stream. How was your day today? I'm eating noodles. Oh, you're eating. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, you're making me hungry now. We need to change this in terms of x. Oh yeah, that is correct. Never mind. So this is gonna be 2y minus 3. We just move out the y, and then x is going to be equal to that minus negative 4. My mom made it nice, bro. This should be the correct inverse. Let's put like 1 here. 1 for negative 1. Yeah, negative 1, and then I'll put negative 1, negative 1, negative 1. Okay, I don't think this is the correct one. Wait, what went wrong? Oh wait, what? Kalau 1 4 kurang 3 1 per min 1 min 1 negative 1. And if we put -1 here, it's gonna be wait -5 and oh, okay, never mind. This is the correct one. All right, that's for 4A. X min 3, X min 4. That is the inverse right there. Yeah, the method's not too complicated. When are you gonna host Minecraft server like that one time when I got on Meteor Client? I don't know about that. That didn't end pretty well. So maybe when I have like creative ideas. Because like hosting my own server and like coding some random things is not gonna work that well. So I need to have like a plan and probably minigame or something. That's not go. I'm banning you from the server. Alright. I'm just gonna do this like in an instant. Four. Alright. 3xy, -2y, -x equals 4. Calma, what's a calma? Wait, wait, how should I call you? Eric Zane. Do I just call you that? Okay, Eric. Do you have any exam for like this week? Or you're just free? Call me Zet. Zate. Okay. Alright. I will call you Azate. Okay. Wait, yeah, so we're finding the x. This is gonna be 2y plus 4. X gonna be equal to this 3y -1. It means calm down. Oh, what language is that? Wait, where are you from, Eric Zania? Two x plus 4. It's Romanian. Also, if anybody tells you to say that, then don't. What does that mean? Is that a bad word? I think that is a bad word. Two x plus 4. It means okay. Good to know, I guess. Wait, someone's chatting me. Alright. It's very popular in Romania. Okay. I don't think... I mean, we have that word also in Indonesia, but it's not like widely used. Usually it's the F word like in Indonesia that is being used. I mean, that is very unfortunate that people use bad words, but it is what it is. Oh, I got the wrong thing. This should be x plus 3 plus x equals 4 yx 3. I can't even undo in this browser. Us Romanians use curse words a lot. I help my classmates that always curses with stopping by punching him. Every time he curses. I don't think that's a. I mean, yeah, bad word is a bad word. Did you successfully make him change, or did he stay the same and you keep punching him? Yep, I did. Alright. Well, good for him then. Negative 3y plus 4. And we got the... Oh, it should be x. I think there's like a general... Yeah, there is a general formula that I often forgot. So I just use like the manual method. Negative... Oh yeah, there exists the like a memorization formula for this, because there is a pattern. If you see the first like number here, like 2x right here, it comes from it comes from the negative 2 here, and then it got like flipped, so from negative it becomes positive like this also, and 3 becomes negative 3. When I got unbanned, I had 10 mil and I got to 75 from killing people with bounties. Okay, well, good for you then. Alright, I got 23 skellies. How much are they worth now? I remember it was like 1.2. Did it got increased or no? Okay, I'm just gonna generalize like the formula. People buy for like... Oh, so it's still the same. Okay. I thought it got inflated. Plus 4. Wait, what? Streamers buy for 1 mil. Okay. Kind of dropped down a bit. Alright, good to know. Thank you. This is negative 3, this is plus 4, and how is this? Okay, well, no, okay, never mind. Okay, so for this one, it is inverted. It should be negative x plus 4. That's why this is plus 4. Okay, that makes sense. So this is gonna be plus b, and then below is gonna be, I think it's still the same, cx. This is negative 1, negative 4. It comes from the ax, I think. 4 becomes negative 4, yeah, it's negative a. 1 becomes, alright, this is... We have something, we can use it here. So it's only the D and A that are switched. So okay, let's try to use this. And then that -4. Yeah, that is way quicker, bro. When you can, you should go to Romania. It's very beautiful, especially at Brasov. It has a lot of beautiful mountains and malls, but if you don't know Romanian, you're cooked. Well, maybe if I go to Romania sometimes, you can guide me there. And if this is -2, we have -5, and -5 over -5, -15, -19. So it's 5 for 19. I can teach you Romanian. Okay, that's pretty good. Bro, Romanian writing is mad annoying. Wait, what characters do you use to speak in Romanian? Do you use the usual ABCD, or there's like a special characters? There's so many variants of words. Oh, we're cooked. I'm cooked. Is it similar to Latin by any chance? What alphabet do you use for your day-to-day writing? -5, negative. Oh wait, I got this wrong. -2, -6, and -10. This is 1 over 2. There is special characters. There is a bit more. Yeah, I'm cooked, bro. Currently, I'm learning like Asian languages, and I'm not even like pushing it by means like try-harding, like studying it real hard. I'm just like listening to their languages, like getting used to it, and if I like turn 180-degree to like European languages, I'm cooked, bro. Basically, example variant of a word. What is that? There is so many. Yeah, I'm cooked. It's gonna take me like more than a year to like learn everything about the Roman wedding system. And your country produced the Roman number system, you know, the like this one, right? If I'm not mistaken, should be Romanian like number system, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. Swaps with, all right. By the way, we also use normal letters. What's the different then? Do you use like normal letters for like day-to-day writing, and use the special ones for like super official like documents and stuff? What's the difference between its usage? Basically, let me write you a sentence. Alright, here we go. -6, -1, -1, -2, it's gonna be 3. And f of inverse, I think that should be if you inverse. Wait, I forgot how I. Okay, I'm just gonna Google it up. Sifat fungsi inverse. I forgot, bro. Like if you got like 2. Oh, okay. Ana si Maria Merkla Partina Duse de Mana. I don't know how to pronounce that, bro. Man, I'm supposed to have a special character, but I don't have it on my keyboard. What? Let me look. Roman alphabets. It's the Latin alphabet. Oh wait, there's more. Okay, no, never mind. Alright. There's more to Romanian writing system. You pronounced it. Yeah, I just assumed what it sounded like. Alright. I think it sounds a bit. It sounds similar to Latin, like Latin pronunciation. By the way, that means Anna and Maria are going to the park holding hands. Oh, okay. La park. Yeah, there is park. I think, yeah. Park and park is like almost similar, so yeah, it's kind of similar to like English. I'm not saying that it's like completely similar, but it has like the relations, you know, park and park. La park, you pronounce. I think, I don't know. Maybe it's because we don't have an accent in our country. Maybe might be wrong for that. La park. I don't know, bro. Alright, let's get back to the questions. So we have. Wait, inverse of inverse? What does that do? When you say it sounds like Spanish, yeah, that's true. It sounds like Spanish. La park tinanduse de mana. Alright. I think it's because of like the C. I don't know. I am lost, bro. Anyways, now we gotta find the inverse. Should be x plus 6 over 3. Over 3, because like the inverse plus 6, yeah. We use C instead of K like English. Puti, pronounce it's same thing. I think in like American accent we say like beauty, and puti. I don't know, I'm just confused. But oh, okay. I thought that was I thought that was a word there. Okay. I don't really understand that, but okay. Good to know. Plus 18 over 3. We are going to have x plus 24 over 3 divided by 3. So like it's x plus 24. Alright. X plus 24 and then we have f3. So that should be 26. Wait, 27. Yeah, 27. Romanian is very confusing at first, like German. German sounds similar to English. I mean, it has like complicated words, but it's still manageable if you learn it like let's say good enough. I'm quite tired with the functions, bro. Okay, this one's easy. F plus g plus h, so basically all of this combined. X, 5x, 2x, 4, 3, and 4. Wow, we're seeing a math. Yeah, it's pretty wild, but guess what 加一 means? Wait, how do I say that word? Is it pronounced Kiai or Tiai? I don't know, bro. I'm so lost. I don't know, but I'm thinking of it like cereal. I don't know. Just like completely random guess. Tiai. Ki. Tiai. What does it mean? H negative G. Okay. H negative G. It's gonna be negative 7x plus 2 plus f of x plus 6. Don't use English accents. Ti. Ti. Is that how we say it? Ti. I'm saying it with Indonesian pronunciation. Is it pronounced Ti? It means Ti. It means tea. Okay. Yeah, it kind of makes sense. Pretty short, and we hear the pronunciaste. What? Ti. Let me pull up the Google Translate, bro. Chai. Kind of sounds like cha in Mandarin. It also means tea, by the way. Kind of the same. Okay, what do we have? You're pronouncing like a Romanian baby. Well, I'm not a Romanian, so chai. Dude, first I love math, but I don't know what this question means because I can't understand. Yeah, this is written in Indonesian, so. Wait, I think you can read this, Zane. Because, like, I don't know if we have like the same pronunciation, but fungsi-fungsi berikut adalah fungsi-fungsi dari himpunan A, PQR ke himpunan B, ABC. Manakah yang merupakan fungsi surjektif? That's how we pronounce it in Indonesia. I hate math. I love English. Yeah, sometimes it is good not to have complicated things on your mind. Bro, I would say it, David. Okay, well, we have the same pronunciation. Yeah, the no accents. Well, that's pretty good then. It's gonna be different for like German and stuff. But okay, that sounds good. Negative x, 16x, 15, negative 4, and then finally negative hx, negative 3 plus 1 plus 12x negative 3. I can pronounce German words, it's easy. Yeah, I think it sounds, the pronunciation it's pretty similar to Bahasa and Romania. And some English, it's like mixed all in. I don't know, bro. And I know like some German songs, but I mean I don't remember the entire lyric, but there is a song like the Deutschland über alles. Why am I pronouncing that in Deutschland über über alles in der Welt, wenn es steht zu Schutz und Trotz, Brüder wir zusammenhält, von der Mars bis an die Mega, Von der Reich bis an den Welt. Deutschland, Deutschland. Yeah, that one. And the Auferstanden aus Ruinen und der Zukunft zugewandt. Alle Welt sind sich nach Frieden. Yeah, that thing. I mean that song. Alright. I got mixed in with the English pronunciation. It sounded weird. It's like I'm mixing German with English pronunciation, so it like messes up things. Alright. I'm just gonna Google up something real quick. Using ChatGPT to solve something. Alright. Gotcha. So f times h is first, so x plus 4 times negative 3x plus 1. Whoa, so we're cheating! Well, this is a practice questions, you know? These are practice questions, so not really. It's like a prep for tomorrow's exam, so yeah, not really cheating. X negative 12. Alright, we're good for this one. I'm not complaining, I do it too. Cheating is not good, guys. Don't cheat. It's a bad habit. A to B. Manakah, which one is a surjective function? I forgot what a surjective function is. Give me examples of surjective and injective. When I really do it, I only do it at Romanian when I'm trying to search some information. Alright. Example, blah blah blah. What's surjective? All of the code domains. So ABC. Which one is the okay? ABC. This one should be surjective because it maps all of the code domain or this one right here as partners. It's A, B, and C. A, B, B, no ABC. There we go. 2. Do you think I can hit high tier 3? I can send you some clips. I'm not a tier tester and I'm not that good at PvP, so maybe I'm not the right person for that. An injective function is 101. Wait. Use a diagram. I'm asking ChatGPT right now. Oh, okay. So injective function is like 1-1. Like it needs to hit the maximum amounts is 1. You can hit only 1. Oh, okay. Okay, gotcha. We see, okay, this one, A-A-I-O, this is good. A-E-I-U, 1, 2, 3, 4, A-E-I-U, this is good also. A-E and, okay, we see a lot of ones, that's not the answer. This one doesn't even have the domain. And it has two E's here, so it's not the answer too. Alright, moving to number 10. The range, no, the distance of of two center in the distance between two center circles is 13 centimeters, and one of the radius is 2 centimeters. One of the radius. The length, I don't know what this is called. Garis singgung persekutuan luar, 12 centimeters. And from some areas, my mom posted a video of me playing basketball on her channel. She's a YouTuber? Yo, that's pretty dope. Your mom's a YouTuber. So like 13, one of the 2 centimeters, one of the that is 12. Okay. I forgot what's the formula for this. I think square root 13 squared 169 minus it's 12. Oh, okay. So 144 is equal. No, this is 12. She's not, but she posts videos of me, bro. Oh, I mean, it's good for documentation, but if she's got her channel on public, that's gonna be one issue. Alright. 144, yeah, 169. This should be 25. So this should be 5, so it's 7. 7 negative 2 is 5, 5 squared 25. This, yeah. It's public. Oh, well, just pray that your friends wouldn't find it. In the picture beside, CD is that it's called GSPL, KSPL, and we know that the length of the radius of AD is 15, and AB is 60, and AB is, wait, what? It's 16. There is an issue here. Where are you from, bro? Michael? Yeah, I'm from Indonesia. Hello, Frostly. Welcome to the stream, bro. Frosty, 1994. And yeah, there is an issue here. AB is declared as 16. Well, it's also being declared as 20, so one of them should be like AD, right? By the way, netherite armor went up so much, bro. Like, by how much? I think it was at 3 mil. How much did it got increased? I'm gonna skip on this because, like, we have an issue on the problem itself. It's $6 million or more? Okay, bro. That's fire. Alright. Going on to number 12. The minimum length, this length, and minimum length of rope that is needed for what is this called in English? To basically get all of the 5 circles horizontally with 14 diameters, like the picture is blah blah blah. Minimum length. When a 1v1 for funsies, not right now. Diameter is 14, so this is 14, this is 14, this is 14, this is 14, so 56. It's times 2 because like it's up and down. Fair enough, yeah, bro. And this is the, what is it called? The perimeter? What's a perimeter? Keliling. Oh yeah, it's the perimeter. Remember that swirl trap I tried to trap you with? I didn't. I don't remember that, bro. That was like a long time ago. 7. Alright. 44. 156. Alright. Sigma boy. Oh, that one. Oh, the one you like, yeah, hit me a lot and tried making me go to your place there. You tricky Zane. Alright. This one, my friend have asked me about this, and this is quite tricky. We got an angle here. We got the alpha angle of 135. Call me Zen, by the way. Alright. Alright, Zen. And phi is 3.14. So we just need to find this. What is busur called in English, bro? Wait. I'm learning math terms for English. The arc, the bow. Okay. Fair enough, bow. Yeah, the bow or the arc right here should be the opposite of 135. Low-key fits my family name. Alright. Pretty good then. 360 negative 45. 225. 135, 230 to... Oh yeah, that's the correct one. Okay. And this is the garis singgung persekutuan luar. I don't know what it's called. It's the tangents to external alliances. What is that? What does that mean? Okay, whatever. Basic maths, yeah, definitely basic. I mean, it is called basic math in my school, so can't really complain on that. I celebrated like a king yesterday. Junior year, it's senior. I'm in my second grade. I mean second year, so in the middle of it, between junior and senior. Okay, then I don't know any of this. It's quite simple. I mean, I'm 4th grade, alright. Wait, how do we do this? We have this thing that is called tangents to external alliances. I don't even know what that means. I mean, I know, but like, in English, that sounds weird. Mad young. Because I only know sophomore. Because I'm in sophomore year. Wait, Pugmas, are you in junior high school or in senior high school? The big one is 11 and the small one's 4. Oh, I see bicycle gears. Yeah. So the problem here is that we need to find the length of the chain that is needed to like cover all of the stuff here. Basically, grade 10. Alright. Well, you might see this in your 11th grade. So, be prepared, I guess. I mean, I've seen this in my 9th grade, so we're just repeating the same thing. Bro, I did that too in 4th grade. Kinda, not really. Another question 14. Oh yeah, it's like angle chasing is pretty. I mean, it's challenging, but it's pretty fun. Like much easier, bro. Yeah, there's like a formula for it. Alright, so this thing right here, I just call it like x squared is equal to the distance between the sensor points in the circle, which will be uh 25. 625 minus r negative r squared, so like 7. 49. It's gonna be 24, 576. Yeah, that's. Yep. And x is gonna be 24. So this is 24 right here. We just found that up. Who likes using cheat ESP? Chess is to find bases. Hands up. Oh, maybe the Donuts SMP mods are watching right now. Who knows? They might be watching. And they saw the name Sane. Just count all the triangles and there's a formula. Yeah, that stuff, you know. It kind of gets more complicated because let's be back to the basics, you know. 2 phi r it's gonna be what's this? Wait. 3 point. I'm just gonna use my calculator because I'm not counting 3.14. Okay, 6.28 times the radius of the big one is 11. So okay, 69. I'm not joking. 69.08 is the perimeter of this big circle. Now we want to use percentages. We want to use percentage to find this specific area of the bow or arc here, which is 225 degrees. So we use like fractions for it. Alright, so we use 225 over 360 times 69.08. You did it wrong, use radius instead of diameter. Wait. Yeah, it is correct. This is the radius. It's not the diameter. Wait, which one though? I might be mistaken. If we're using the diameter, then the formula for the perimeter is going to be phi times d, because it's like the same thing. I mean, diameter is 2 times the radius, so same thing. And I'm not counting this manually, so I'm gonna use a calculator for this. Divide that by 360. That would be 43.175. Same thing. well, pretty much, cause like, 2 phi r is equal to phi times 2 times the radius. So this is equal to phi times d. Does your school allow calculator? No. But for the sake of simplicity in here, I'm gonna use a calculator. And we do the same thing for the opposite one, the small circle one. So, like 2 to 5, maybe I'm just gonna count 2 to 5 divided by 360. It's 0.625 times 3.14 times 8, because it's 2 times the radius. How my school allowed calc for this topic? I don't know. I mean, this is just practice questions, because once doing with 3.14 is really hard. I can relate to that. Because there is one time in my senior year in junior high school in my 9th grade, when I'm faced with a math test, and it's like counting the volumes, of like this and like that, all of that, like, those stuff, like shapes that have volume, and I scored it like 75 out of 100, bro. And it was pretty tough because we have like commas in the questions, and they all look identical, so we can't just like pick randomly like the nearest number. For example, 73, there's gonna be 74.09, there's gonna be 0.09. It's pretty hard for me. I had a tough time dealing with that. Well, at least you didn't get 64 out of 100 in chemistry. Well, I'm glad for that, but well, there is one time in my biology exam I scored 45.5 out of 100 because I just don't understand the material. Because in the first semester, like this semester, there was our biology teacher, and after we did some bonding, between students and the teacher got changed. That's what makes us a bit. That's what makes me a bit like confused because of the different teaching method that she used. And hello, Fort Ninja XT, welcome to the stream, yo. Do you guys like history? I mean, it's pretty fun if you learn it independently. I've always been a math nerd. I used to like history, but my history teacher didn't like me. Try GE advanced question now, I'm quick, bro. What is that though? What's a GEE? Is that an Indian like math exam or something? Okay, so this is 15.7. We sum all of this to 8.875, and then we sum this up with 48 finally. We should, okay, 106.875 should be the answer. It's an Indian high school exam for prestigious colleges in India. I am gonna guess they have like some limits and calculus. That is going to be interesting though, but maybe when I have time. My history sir gave me 80 out of 100 while he gave a kid who didn't take the paper 90? Whoa, is that gonna be an ad hominem? Like a personal attack? Oh yes, they do. Yeah, I'm cooked. Wait, Fortnite Ninja. Oh, Fort Ninja, sorry. What grade are you on right now? Are you studying for college? Like the entrance exam, or are you in college already? And I have a friend who's from India, and yeah, I've seen the questions, man. It's not doable for me. 11th, okay. We're in the same generation. I'm also in grade 11. He just read the name from the attendance and looked at your face and decided to say a random grade. Nah, bro, that's ad hominem. That's a subjective scoring there. Bro, y'all are grandpas. We used to be young. 2009s are usually young. We're in Gen Z, yeah, bro. And now there is Gen Beta in 2025. you Gen Alphas are going to be grand puzzles facing the Gen Beta kids. Curious QR. Hey, wait, I'm gonna. Zen is a bit too young. Well, he's gonna be old enough soon. What's your favorite topic in maths? That's a good question. I don't like geometry, probably algebra. But like specific topic, maybe the integrals and all of that stuff, because I've seen the integral B in YouTube, and I think that's pretty cool because they have like a whole fandom of that. Integration B. There's like literally a tutorial for it. Like there's like the basic tutorial on integrals, and like there's the hard ones. I'll send it to you. Did you do permutations? I did try. It is pretty interesting, and the stars and bars also. Can you translate this file to English? I don't know. Yo, what's up, VJ? Welcome to the stream. How was your day today? Yeah, good. All right, sounds good. Q is 125. Wait. This one. This one is 250 and 360, 110. This should be. Wait. 55. And this one right here. Yeah, this one right here is like 156, like the center one. And then 360 minus this is 1. Is it 204? Yeah, it is 204. 102. Ask Copilot to translate for you, just minus it by 360. That's pretty easy. P equals to 180 negative 70. Yep, that's correct. It's good. P and S. P is gonna be 102 degrees, and the S one is gonna be 55. Go to the button. Which one? This one, Copilot? Translate this entire thought to English. Is that how you do it? I don't know. I'm doing integrals. Wanna try some? I haven't done it in a long time. Are you just gonna study today? Yeah, bro. Yeah, it doesn't really work. AB is the diameter of the circle. BCD 35. Then how large is AOD? This is one of the angle chasing questions. It says it's alright in English. Opposite angles of a cyclic are supplementary. Yeah, there is an option. Left to ask Copilot on sub. Is it this one? The left one. Oh, this one. Okay. Ask anything. Summarize. Ooh. The other one. Left to that. Is it this one? I'm not seeing any. Yes. Okay. Can you wait? What's the difference between translates this page to English. I gotta go. Bye. Alright, thank you, FudgeCake, for coming out here. Okay. It is different. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that. Okay, AI is doing all of the work. Yo, okay. And okay, we're at number 15 now. That's dope, bro. Yo. What? That's crazy. No way. Okay. C is 35. That means oh, here is 70. That's pretty easy. Oh, 70. B, C, D, and is it this? Wait, no. Okay, never mind. It's 110. I didn't read it properly. And number 16, we have COD 75, COD, CAB. Okay. Oh, okay. Wait, 75 here. The opposite one should be 105. 105, and then 105. This is the same. OB should be 52.5. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Number 17, AB is a tangent to a circle. But can you guys see the right side? Maybe we can practice together here, or maybe not. It's okay. I get it now. Bro's doing it. Nah, bro. I did translate it, but like the chat is preventing. Wait. It's the right here. It's here, bro. But like it's closed by the chat. I forgot about that. Where's the chat, bro? How do I? Okay. Should I keep the chat? I think I'm going to disable the chats for now, so that you can see it. Okay? Yeah. Right corner. Yeah. I'm just gonna remove it for now. Okay, 17 maybe. AO 16, and I'm going to count for BOC. Okay, I think this is like trigonometry, you know. 64 ones plus something. He translate. Yeah, the right side, guys. It's at the right side. Maybe you can watch it at 1080p. It's question 17 right now. So C. Oh wait, I made the same mistake again. Because I'm the one who worked on this particular number, while the others like did the rest. Like we go to the whiteboard and write down the answer to one question for each of the students. Kind of slow at reading. It's written AB 38. Well, that's a mistake. This is the correct number. I mean, it's AI, but you can kind of get the point of the question. You already basically know if I read. Oh wait, I think it's correct. 64, 128. Yeah, it's 192. And then C is going to be no, C squared is going to be 64. and then C is 8. So this one's 8, and then BOC. We're gonna have to find like the angle, right? I'm in 9, I'm in 10, okay. Well, I'm in 11. So we have, this is the 90-degree one. And you know what, I'm just gonna use trigonometry for this, because that's what I did for the last time. Let's just use sin. Oh, it's gonna be SOHCAHTOA. That's what we call it in English. But it's called Sindemi, Kosami, and Tandesa in Indonesia. Me. Okay. Number 2. Your list is beyond a UIC, yeah. That's fine. Alright. This should be sin of 60 degree, right? If I'm not mistaken. Is it 60? And then this one's gonna be wait, sin. Yeah, it's correct. It's 60 degree here. And we find BOC now. So it's 60 per 360, which is like 1/6 times 5r squared. Radius is 8 centimeters, sorry. It's gonna be in fractions, which I don't really like. Yeah, it's 64. I'm just gonna use a calculator again. I think it's nice try, bro. Wait, what's the sign of 67? Sign of 67? Sign. What's the sign of 67 degree? Alright, 64 times 22 divided by 42. 33.52. That's the answer. 6. Wow. What is that emote? That is very accurate. Oh, we reached the end of the question. Okay. And the figure beside O is TOS. Wait, what? 20 degree. I don't think this is 20 degree. Wait, oh wait, no, never mind. TOS is there. 20 Q OP 120. Pin that. What is that, bro? What is that invitation? Oh, okay. OrientalNetwork one, alright. Does it say drawn to scale? It doesn't. It's OrientalNetwork Discord, alright. Thank you, bro. This one's 20. QOP is 120. TS is 4 centimeters. Let's see. Okay, makasih. And RQ, where is RQ? RQ is 1. To be honest, real quick looks better than just print out. Nah, bro. There's like a slick way for this. Wait. TS is 4 centimeters, and 4 centimeters is for 20 degrees. And turn 20 degrees into 360. We times that by 18, right? 18 times, yeah. And then we times this by 18 also, so it's gonna be 72 centimeters is the perimeter of this whole circle. And this is 1, so this should be really small then. Wait, what? I'm gonna come back later if you're still streaming. Maybe I would not be, cause yeah, but it's okay. Whoa, that's kind of wild. Angle POT is 60 degree. Interesting. Wait, how is RQ? That's so small then. I don't think it's trying to scale. If that's the case, then this thing right here should be. Wait, my divided by 4. This is gonna be 5 degree. Whoa, what? And PQ is gonna be 20 times 6 is 24. Not 60. It's 6. No, stop with that. Because it doesn't say not trying to scale, which means trying to scale. I don't know, bro. POT. Where's POT? POT by a linear pair. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, that's good job on that. It's gonna be 2 centimeters per 10 degrees. We're gonna have a cheat sheet here. And QOR, where's QOR? 5 degree. I'm kind of hesitating on this one. And the ratio of the area sector TOS to the area of the circle. We will get angle. Yeah, angle is pretty easy. Angle chasing. TOS is gonna be 20 over 360 times fire squared compared to fire squared. So we can like cross this out as 1, and then this is 1 over 18. 1. So what? Wait. TOS. It's 1 over 18. Arrow S 360? No way. Wait, what arrow? Okay. 180, 25. It should be 180 negative 25, which is 155. If I'm not mistaken. That's kind of wild. Times this by 18. Okay, we got 1. This is the ratio. This is C. I don't know about sectors. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Ask GPT. Okay, we're using the AI tools now. How about we ask our co-pilot, solve 18C. Oh, we got it correct. Is TS 20 degrees? Oh no, is TS 20 degrees? GG. Yo. Well, that's it then. Wait. What's QR then? So is this even? Oh yeah, sorry. QOR. Yeah, it's 5 degree. Boom. You're hiding ChatGPT. Nah, bro. I'm using Copilot. I didn't think it would be like the same as ChatGPT. GG's. That's the end of the stream, guys. Well, there is like this number 6, but it's like not essential. Like properties of composite function. Like no, bro. Okay, that's all basically in today's stream. More questions, please. So fun. You want more? I don't know if I have more. I don't think I have. Proof is powered by. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, I mean you're not wrong. I mean there is like these questions. Maybe I can send it to you. I don't know. I changed my mind. What happened there? GPT-5, kind of the same thing. I don't know. I don't have any more questions, guys. Hiding calculator? I am not hiding it, bro. It's just that it's usually there when maybe not. I have it on my bottom right, but it is whatever. My intention wasn't to hide it. Well, it's okay, it's still fun. I might do one for. Wait. I might do it in the day after tomorrow. I'm not hiding it, bro. I've told you that I'm using a calculator. Alright, but I got new headphones. Alright, W. Bro's not slick. It wasn't for hiding. Anyways, I'm gonna go eat now, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And we're gonna have another math stream in the day after tomorrow. So be prepared. I'll see you next time. I'm out. Goodbye, guys.